Hello everyone, welcome to a little bit of math instruction. I'm just gonna show you a little bit on how to use the Savvas math tools at savvasrealize.com. And so once you get to this step in the classes and the button on that says math tools, we go to 2D geometry. And when we click on that, we're gonna do building figures. And so what this is gonna be, it's the beginning level of constructing geometric figures. In geometry, we have points, we have lines, we have angles, and then we have shapes and different kinds of shapes. This, we're going to put some shapes and getting used to them. If I have to start with an angle, I click on the angle. That means I want to make an angle. And I can click on here, and decide what angle I want. Let's say I want 45 degrees. 45 degrees, click OK, and there it is. I can use this arrow here to click on it. I have to click the middle angle in the middle letter B, for it to show the actual angle. It's now a 45 degree angle. And if I've got this right here with my select tool, if I take this A and move it, you can see the angle measurement change. I can create whatever angle I want. I had it at 45. Let's see if I can get it right exactly back to 45. There it is. That's how you make an angle. If I want to make a shape, let's say a triangle, I think there's a right triangle. Whoop, I just made another one. I don't want to do that. So I click on this arrow right here to move it around, and I can take this D and move it around. I've already chosen that it's a right angle for points of the triangle however I want. If you would have come over here, if you would have chosen, this looks like an isosceles triangle. So I come over here and, whoa, I just made another one. So I click on the eraser and delete it. And then I click on this select tool, and you can see I've already said it's going to be an isosceles triangle, so it's going to stay that. Let's say I choose this, a free form triangle, or think of a scalene triangle. There it is, right there. Use the select button, and I can move each of these. It's free form. I can do whatever I want with this triangle. Let's say I want to know some of the measurements of this triangle. Let's say I want to know the area, so I click on the measurement tool. Select a part of a figure. I want the inside of the triangle, so I click inside it, and it tells me the area. The area of that triangle. Right there. Now, if I use a select tool and I kind of move this around, it tells me how the area gets bigger, smaller. And if I'm kind of running out of room, I'm going to move this so it's more with that. If I'm running out of room, I can always zoom out a little bit. And then I can put some more shapes in. Let's say I want to put in a parallelogram. So I click here, I've just made a parallelogram, and I want to make it a little larger here, so I've made it like so. There we go. And then I can understand more about the parallelogram by clicking on the measurement. Oh, and I've got the area, and I have the perimeter. So just the beginnings. I don't want to do too much. I want you to find out some of this on your own. So just the beginnings of this program. Yes, we can add text that we want to add. Move the text down if we want with an arrow. But I want you to do more learning by playing than I want to have me do it all for you. So just the beginnings, instructions on how to use the Savvasrealize.com geometry, 2D geometry tool in building geometric figures. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.